This video I'm going to teach you how to get Cannoneer in Clash Royale. In order to do this, you first need to head over right here, and I have this actual article that can help us. First, head over to your Clash Royale, and once you have done that, you can head over and do so by understanding the Cannoneer and its unlock requirements. So Cannoneer is actually an epic tower troop that unlocks once you reach Arena 8 or Frozen Peak. So if you don't have it yet, you won't be able to unlock it. So Cannoneer isn't a unit in a tier list that you deploy on the battlefield. It's a tower troop that attacks directly to your town towers. This means upgrading your king tower by gaining experience, required upgrades, and donations, which is the key for boosting the Cannoneer's effectiveness. So to unlock it, you can head over and unlock it through the tower troop chests. So to get this, you can just rotate your chess cycle and keep playing 1v1 or 2v2 battles. Winning matches lets you progress through the cycle faster, so you can head over and then actually get it from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you